got one of those pocket dogs. It's a cute dog. Yeah, this is Gigolo. A good-looking bar.
Thanks to one of my subs, at Rosalind HB, Lisa Vanderpump's famous Pomeranian was named Gigolo, often called Giggy for short. He was a breakout star on The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills and Vanderpump Rules, known for his glamorous appearances, outfits, and helicopter travels. Lisa has explained that she gave him the full name Gigolo because of his charming lady killer personality as a tiny pup. He was playful and had a flair for the dramatic, fitting the cheeky name perfectly. Giggy appeared in many episodes, got his own media coverage, like a Star magazine spread, and even inspired a bar named Gigolo at one of her venues, the Vanderpump Hotel. Sadly, Giggy passed away in December 2020, and it was a big moment for the Bravo fandom. Lisa and others like Kyle Richards paid tribute to the iconic little dog. He was truly one of the most memorable cast members on those shows.